Alright, we are back for day 2 of learning how to wheelie my Razor mini bike. So it's just going to be some POV footage today. We got an empty basketball court and we're just going to keep on keeping on, keep practicing. Hopefully we can get better today. So let's get some cool shots on the Razor mini bike. Alright, so feet draggy, mode 1. So hopefully we don't eat shit. That bottle's still here, huh? Alright, remember training, boys. Oh, not bad, not bad. That was cool. Oh, that looped. I don't know what is making all that noise. I don't know what's making that noise. What the fuck is making that noise? I don't know. Got scared. Alright, we got a good one right here. That was sweet. Don't let it go. No. Ah! Sketchy. Cool. That was like the longest one I think I've done, dragging my little feet. Ugh. Damn it, I wanted to make it. That was pretty good. Getting a little more comfortable. Oh, dude, I was not able to do those before, so I'm pretty fucking pumped. Just hold it. Damn it. Whew. I looped. Ah, I had to do full focus for that one. Whew, my nuts. Do a quick lap, cool down the motor. I'm pretty happy with my progression, boys. That's just day 2. Like, literally, if you guys do the 7-day thing, it'll get so much better. I think it's mainly setting a goal and putting everything aside and just accepting failure to get to the end of the goal is helping me, so hopefully it helps you guys. Alright, I'll do one more and then we'll probably cut this short for the day because it is 105 degrees out, boys. I chased it. Nice. That was sick. The rear brake just brought it past balance point and immediately went to go chase it, so I just dropped it down. I gotta get it at balance point and I feel confident with that feeling, so then that way I don't freak out. Figured that out, kinda. Woo-hoo! I gotta lean back. I keep leaning. Apparently, a GoPro cut out. That's why I fucking hate GoPro now. And I didn't record any of the last 30 minutes. I was just ripping around. Fucking sick, right? So we're just gonna do a short little rip back to the crib. Yeah. If you're thinking about getting into one of these, fucking do it. It's the best investment you will make, I promise, just to get you out there on two wheels and feel alive. If you want to build a razor, you could go that route, but just kind of, if you have another bike to ride, then I would suggest building a razor. But if you're going to use a razor for your only form of transportation, there's so many good e-bikes that just came out that are roughly around what it'll cost you to build one of these. So if you guys want a detailed vlog and review of what I think you guys should get, just let me know in the comments. I'll definitely do it. Oh, fuck yeah. Biggest piece of advice I can give to a new rider: make sure you pick a bike that is going to suit your needs right off the gate. Because the worst decision you can make is buying something that you're going to outgrow or doesn't fit your riding style or what you're trying to do. Because if you buy the wrong bike off the gate, now you're stuck with a $3,000 investment, or upwards of $5,000 depending on what you grab, for something that you don't really like anymore. And the resale, let me tell you, the resale on e-bikes is shit. So expect to lose 50% up to 75% of your initial investment. Surron holds them a little better. So if you're buying one for around $5,000, I would say realistically, for a really good ideal buyer, you're probably getting $3,000 for that thing if it's not clapped out. Something that's been used, not used and abused, but definitely, you rode it like you should, you're probably looking at like $2,500, $2,000 easily. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping around and buying something. Like, oh, if I don't like it, I'll trade it. Trade-in thing like a dealership doesn't really work. It isn't really a thing yet, unless you go to a full-on e-bike shop or e-bike dealer, like myself at hanzimoto.com. If you do, either way though, I mean, your resale, just like buying a new car, is going to go down easily. Like depreciation on cars, you thought that was bad, like depreciation on these e-bikes are even worse. So just keep that in mind. The depreciation on e-bikes are really bad. So if you're thinking you're going to buy something now just because you want to go rip with your buddies or whatever it is, and you're just going to sell it and get something else, just expect you're going to lose some money. Nothing too crazy. So I actually, like, making a video for that would be really cool, actually, just giving you guys my insights. So leave it down below if you want to see a video on buying, used bikes or selling a used bike. Oh, we're at 66. That's the end of the video, boys. Day 2, really good practice, really good progression. So what we like to hear and see. We'll see how day 3 goes tomorrow, and hope you guys like this little mini series. I'm on a personal journey to learn how to wheelie in 7 days, and you should do it too. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with your boy, and I'll see you on next week's video.